Chief of the Army Staff General Syed Asim Munir, while felicitating the nation at the beginning of the new year, expressed the Pakistan's support to the resilient people of Palestine and occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, Army Chief in his message on the New Year's Eve said, in line with the directive of the Honorable Prime Minister of Pakistan, we stand with and pray for the resilient people of Palestine and occupied Kashmir and hope that New Year will bring relief in their sufferings. Indian troops in their unabated acts of state terrorism martyred 120 innocent Kashmiris, including 4 women and as many as boys, during the year 2023 in occupied Kashmir, according to a report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service today. 41 of the martyrs were killed in fake encounters and in custody. The Indian police also killed one Hindu in Jammu and another Hindu was killed in Akhnur area of the Jammu district. The report said the killings by the troops, paramilitary and police personnel rendered 18 women widowed and 58 children orphaned. Legal Forum for Kashmir released its annual report titled The Human Rights Situation in Occupied Kashmir, January to December 2023. According to Kashmir Media Service, the LFK's annual report presents an in-depth analysis of the various human rights issues, including heightened militarization, land grabbing by the Indian occupation forces and authorities, excessive use of force against the residents, extrajudicial killings, torture and arbitrary detentions of the people in the occupied Kashmir. Obsessed with accumulating more and more weapons to foment the war hysteria, India under Narendra Modi purchased weapons worth over rupees 3.50 trillion in 2023, ranked third in the global military spenders list. According to Kashmir Media Service, India also went on an overdrive in expanding its military engagement with the like-minded neighbors in its neighborhood and beyond under the illusion of being a great power.